Arguments have officially wrapped up at the federal courthouse in downtown. A judge is hearing a lawsuit challenging an Alabama law that prohibits diversity, equity, and inclusion programs.
WVTM 13 Zoe Blair was in that courtroom today. She has the latest in the case.
We heard from some of the University of Alabama professors who were named as plaintiffs in this lawsuit. They tell me that this law makes it difficult for them to do their jobs, and it's creating anxiety and fear throughout faculty all across campus.
It has been what people have been calling, and I agree wholeheartedly, a chilling effect on campus. Faculty are fearful.
Dr. Cassandra Simon teaches social work at the University of Alabama, a position she's held for 25 years. Now that SB 129 is in effect, she's facing backlash for teaching the same things that have been a part of her courses for a quarter of a century.
But I was specifically told in an email by my administrator, my immediate supervisor, my dean, that if I did not have my students cancel their project, that I would be subjecting myself to, and the exact words were progressive disciplinary action up to and including termination.
The project in question was a sit-in where students were set to discuss the impacts of SB 129. This time, the impact of the law was the students didn't get to do their assignment, and Dr. Simon was reprimanded. She says assignments like these are required to graduate with a degree in social work.
Accreditation standards require us to do this, and so I chose to take the risk and continue to do what I know is the right thing.
The professors tell me they hope an injunction will be granted in this hearing and that they'll be able to go back to their normal curriculum by August. In Birmingham, Zoe Blair, WVTM 13.
The WVTM 13 app breaks down the main points of the Alabama DEI ban law, including how colleges have handled it and what happens when the court rules.